Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we have 7 minutes about if a vegan diet is healthier than eating meat and dairy or not. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Many people turn to a vegan diet for a variety of reasons, such as maintaining good health, animal welfare, or environmental concerns. The vegan diet is generally rich in nutrients and low in saturated fats. Some research shows this diet can help with heart health, reduce the chances of getting cancer, and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, people who eat only plant-based foods should be more cautious about the intake of certain nutrients, including iron, calcium, and vitamin B12, to prevent nutrient deficiencies and adverse health effects. In this video, we take a closer look at the vegan diet. These include the health benefits of the vegan diet, as well as the important things to consider before choosing a vegan diet. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. There has always been debate and criticism over which group is right, eating meat and dairy or veganism. Advantages and disadvantages of eating meat. Meat is one of the most consumed food items in the world. Meat has many benefits and is a rich source of protein and iron. There are pros and cons to eating meat, but in general, meat consumption is necessary for the body, and overeating it will cause serious problems. According to doctors, you should be careful about the meat you consume. The meat should not contain saturated fat. This is because saturated fats in every protein, from red meat to dairy products, can have a devastating effect on type 2 diabetes. There is a lot of ambiguity about whether to eat meat or not. Nevertheless, its nutrients cannot be ignored. Meat is high in protein and is an important and essential substance for the growth of children and adults. In addition, it is rich in iron and provides oxygen to the heart and brain. Red meat ensures heart health by lowering bad cholesterol. Another useful ingredient in red meat is B vitamins, especially B12. Beef is a rich source of phosphorus and calcium, which strengthens bones and prevents osteoporosis. Finally, beef should be mentioned as a useful source of energy. Now the question is, despite all these benefits, why do some people turn to veganism? Excessive consumption of meat has many consequences. The harms of eating too much meat are not limited to human health. It also causes a lot of damage to the environment and leads to pollution. In addition, most red meats are high in saturated fat, which can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, and gout. Gastrointestinal disorders are also other disadvantages of eating red meat. This nutrient increases the risk of diabetes and makes the human body resistant to the drug. Despite the advantages and disadvantages of eating meat, it is better to avoid eliminating it completely or consuming too much of it. Benefits and harms of veganism. You must have encountered people in your life who call themselves vegetarians or vegans. These people use only plants and natural dairy products that are allowed and do not use foods of animal origin such as meat, eggs, shrimp, or animal dairy products. In a vegan diet, dairy products are also forbidden. People who choose such a diet in their lives have different reasons. For many people, choosing this type of diet is just to alleviate the suffering of animals. These people believe that using animal meat is immoral and harms the environment. Some people choose it to have a healthier body and lifestyle. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are essential and important ingredients in everyone's diet that should be carefully considered. Because always consuming vegetables, fruits, and grains, especially whole grains such as rice, causes health and vitality, vegan people live longer and healthier. But one of the crises that this regime creates for people, in the long run, is the deficiency of essential nutrients such as iron, cobalt, chromium, copper, iodine, manganese, selenium, zinc, and molybdenum that the body obtains only from animal source foods. Many doctors believe that a plant-based diet reduces the risk of death by 6 to 10%. An important issue remains, and it is the importance of the nutrients that are contained in animal products including meat. Therefore, people who want to become vegan should take this advice seriously, that they must have an important alternative to animal products in their diet. Finally, it should be said to people who want to take the health of their body more seriously that the human body depends on the food you eat. Foods have a direct impact on physical and mental health. It is needed to provide energy and maintain the survival of all food groups, from vitamins to proteins, carbohydrates, fats, water, and minerals. Therefore, a healthy diet is a diet that meets the needs of the body, and the principle of moderation is observed. Of course, the vegan diet is like any other diet, depending on the type and the quality of food you consumed. If you compare the vegan diet with the unhealthy meat diet, the vegan diet is definitely better. But if you follow a relatively conservative diet, such as the Mediterranean diet, which is high in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and lean meats, the evidence suggests that this omnivorous diet is at least as healthy as the vegan diet. At the same time, experts recommend that the best vegan diet is one that contains large amounts of fruits and vegetables and B21 supplements and includes quality foods. More research is needed before we can say for sure that veganism is the healthiest diet ever, especially its long-term effects. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.